crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex from New York, culture free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is unbagging the Ipsy for this month. Very excited because I'm getting back into Ipsy slowly but surely. Because last year I stopped or so is because I didn't like the products I was getting for a while, so I decided to take a break from Ipsy. And I just stayed on there to see what they were going to do and everything else. But of course, they have BoxyCharm now. They merged together, which is awesome. But for me, I'm just going to keep with the bags because, yeah. So, of course, everything is in this bag. For this month, I decided to just I'm going to do something different. And everything is because I don't want to say, hey, this is the products I got. I actually want to use them and just test them out on camera as I'm doing this. And of course, I will put the price of the products is there and just do it that way to make it easy for myself and for everybody. Instead of being, hey, this is how much it costs, let's read it, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to do that. I actually want to use the products like I said. So, very excited. So you get, for today's, or I should say this month's, theme is Glow Your Soul. Soft launch the new year by getting relaxed, recharged, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Nourish your skin, play with color, practice kindness to yourself and others. And make sure you feel pampered every day because the path of getting that glow of inside and out starts now, January 4. And of course, they have the outlist thing. Come clean. There's been a better time to give yourself a shelfie, a clean slate, literally. So they took out some brands out or products out that had like 32 ingredients that was not good. Now I tell you something, clean beauty is clean beauty. Depending on what price you use, anything that you put on your skin or in your body can have a thing. You never know. Products can be, one thing can be good for you, the next minute is not. So just do what's best for you, do what's best for your body, do best for your skin, do everything that's best for you. Do your research. That's all I have to say. But it's great to see brands that actually looking at the ingredients too, because like I said, some harmful ingredients. But yes, so of course to give you what you have in your bag. So this is what the bag looks like. I really like this cute bag. Like, I like to keep these bags anyway for like traveling or a purse. You can use it as a purse, which do what you want to do with it. I really like this one. It's just like really soft and I like it. I like the color because it's purple. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. So we're just gonna go and just test out. So you did get 5 products. You also pick a choice out, and that choice I picked is Lucky Chick eyeshadow palette. It's called Daydreams. I got this one because actually I've never heard of this brand before, and they're cruelty free, of course. So saw this and like, you know what? Let's get it. Let's might as well start the year good. Let's start out trying out some new brands, and this is all I want to do this year. Try out some old stuff that I haven't gotten. Also, I want to try out some new brands and see what I like, because I'm always like, this is a collection. That's all I call it. It's a collection. I like the stuff I use. I'm gonna keep on using it. If I buy it or give it to me, I'm gonna use it. But this is what the palette looks like. The only thing I can say, it does not have a name on it. So what I've decided to do is cut this out and tape it right here so you know what the colors looks like, because they have the names on here. They should have put the names on the packaging. Eyeshadow base. Put on my eyeshadow base and I'll be right back. Okay, of course all the products I used in this video will also be down below. So everybody, if you want to see what I use on my face or anything else, it will be down below for you guys. I think I'm just gonna go with this shade right here. Also, I'm not gonna go with here, and I'm just gonna go, whoa, that's pigmented. That's really pigmented. I like this color actually. It's from wig. I'm gonna try this eyeshadow brush out since I already got it. So, Wig Me Cosmetics Perfect Eyeshadow Shading Brush is basically supposed to use. They just tell you what it is. This is basically basic eyeshadow brush. I really do like this how this brush is. Like I love purple. I like how it looks. So cute. And I like how it's different. Like it's weird. But I'm thinking I am going to use it. I just don't know when. This shade right here, just a little bit, not too much. It's a really dark brown shade. So I'm going to use that. I'm just going to put this right here. This is shimmer right here, and I'm supposed to see. Whoa. Shimmers are like that. I'm there. I mean, it's easy to glide on. It's easy to work with, and I really like the formula. Okay. The next one they have for the eye is the YT Collection eyeliner that they have, which this is, I think, it's a brand new product from them anyway. So it's a island eyeliner in Yunque. Sorry, I'm not good with names, but it's supposed to be a multi-chromatic. Okay, so is that? Let me see something. What is what it looks like? Whoa. I really like this. Really pretty. Like. Okay. Next part I'm very excited about is the Tarte Tarte Shape Radiant Concealer in 12 and Fair Neutral, which I am a Fair Neutral. It's hard to find foundations that are in neutral undertone base, but you know, I do have my favorite, but I'm not going to talk about it. It will be down below. But I'm very excited about trying this out. It's a very small one. It's the Radiant one. I was thinking, because I think these were supposed to be two different ones, a matte and a Radiant one. But you know what? That's a very small sample. Like, this is a sample, which I have no problem. The full size one, of course, is a lot more. But you know what? I'm going to use a very little bit because I'm going to use a little bit. I'm not here for like. This is a really good job. Ooh, I like that glow. I really do. Okay. The last product is the Oryza Baked Opaline Highlighter and Sunkissed. This is my first time trying this brand too, so I've basically tried three new brands this month, which is I'm really happy about. And this is a really pretty color. This is the one called Sunkissed. This is a very big. I like big highlighters actually. I think you can use them wet or dry. It's a really pretty shine color. I don't think you can really see that, but you know, everything else. And the concealer that I use, the Tarte one, the Radiant one, is pretty nice. I do like it. So I am going to use a clean brush with this because I want to see how this looks. I'm going to put it right here. I actually like gold highlighters anyway, more than I like silver. Like I would play with silver. Okay, I do have that neutral undertone anyway, but I'm gonna highlight the places I want to highlight. Okay, for this month's bag, I really do enjoy this. All the 5 products I've used, I really do. The eyeshadow palette, the Lucky Chick palette, and Daydreams is really pretty nice. I really do like it. Easy to blend, has nice, beautiful colors. I like the shimmers. Really, I do. I like the eyeliner. I think it's just by itself. I just play it by itself because it is a metallic duo. I think it's multi-chromic green. Depending on the shades of the green, and I really do like that. And of course, the Shape Tape Radiant Concealer from Tarte in the 12 neutral one is really a good match. I do like it. Nice, gives a nice coverage. I think I tried their concealer before, the Tarte Shape one, the regular one, the original one, and I really did like that one. And I was like, yeah, I want to get that. And when it's a good sale going on, or if I can get it from Ipsy, I'm gonna get it because I really like it. The Radiant one, I don't go for the Radiant one. I don't go for that kind of look anyway, but it's really nice and I do like it. So I do, if you like Radiant concealers or foundations, go for it. The Wig Me eyeshadow brush did an amazing job of packing the color. It was really, really good. I really do like it. Of course, the highlighter is really nice. It's nice and subtle, which I do like. If you want with baked eyeshadows, if you want it to be more of a more sparkly, more boom in your face, you want to wet your brush first, or use the product and wet the brush after you put the powder on, and just do it that way. That would work. But there's a really beautiful. I like how this look came out. For me, for this month, it was 5 out of 5. I really like the products, and there's nothing to really have to say. I don't know if I'm going to get next month or not, depending on the choices and also what products is there too. I just feel like it is one of those things you have to really. I'm looking at it more. If not, it's okay. I might go shop at Ipsy and just give you a nice try some new products from there and just see what. But yeah, if you want to see more videos like this from Ipsy or anything like that, make sure you hit the like button so I know you want to see more content like this. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know of any videos I upload. I do go live every Monday and Wednesdays at 12 p.m. Eastern time and on Fridays at 9 p.m. I am very excited to coming back from Ipsy. I really am, and I'm excited. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be excited. But yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.